Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're doing a quick gaming review and test on the new K22. So let's go ahead and test it out. I have two games that we'll test out. That way we don't make this too long of a video. So we'll do Call of Duty Mobile first. And this is, of course, a popular game. So that's why I want to test it out. Like I said, we'll test out some popular games first. This one, and then we'll do Asphalt next. So let this load, and you can also see the load timers and everything. So like I said, this is a new Boost Mobile phone, the LG K92. So let's see how that goes. And like I said, as you can see, there it is. It's loading. I should have already done the tutorial. That way we can go ahead and actually play. Alright, there we go. So we'll just continue as a guest. That should be fine. Yes. And like I said, for these kind of phones, I always do just random accounts either way, so it doesn't even matter. I always have like dummy accounts. So don't email me. Like I said, they're basically fake emails that I don't even check. So, but let it go ahead and start. We'll start our first multiplayer game. So let it start, and we'll see how that goes. So there we go. Get a little bit of noise there at least, and hopefully you guys can see that. So we'll let that load. Let me see if it'll focus a little bit more. All right. Now, so there we are, guys. I believe we're about to start. Let's see how we do. Let's see how it handles. So far, so good. I don't see much lag at all, so you can definitely play this without having much trouble. And of course, these are all dummies. Whoa. So we shouldn't have much of a trouble at all. So as you can see, it's pretty smooth. It looks like maybe when there's a lot of people, it does tend to slow down a little bit, but nothing bad. Maybe a little bit drop frame here and there. But it's definitely playable as you guys are seeing. There we go. I should probably be zooming in. There we go. That's a little bit better. And then of course we have the missiles. So let's go ahead and alright, looks like I did use the killer drone and got some kills there, so pretty sweet. Like I said, of course, this is just like the first round. That's usually easy. Let's go ahead and use this to drop the bomb on people. I'm not even sure. Probably didn't even get a kill with that, but it's pretty good. Like I said, it's pretty fast. Not sluggish at all yet. It's not warm. The phone's not getting warm yet. There we go. So wow, pretty decent. Like I said, I mean that round was about 4 minutes, so definitely playable. So for this phone being like right at $100, if you want to use it kind of like for gaming, I mean, Call of Duty is a pretty big game that everybody's playing right now, so it's definitely playable with no issues whatsoever. Now it is currently starting to get a little warm up on the top area, but that's usually normal with phones. So like I said, overall cool. And that's me. I don't know. Like I said, but like I said, that was just a test. So definitely playable, no issues at all. Of course, it's a little hard when you're, recording and doing this at the same time. So let's do Asphalt 8. I tried to look for Asphalt 9, but for some reason I couldn't find it on this phone. So we'll just have to do with Asphalt 8. I've never played this game. I usually play Asphalt 9, so hopefully it does do. Now with this game being fast paced, that's what I like about playing racing games. We can really test the performance of this phone and see how well it does. Alright guys, so here is Asphalt 8, so we'll go ahead and play this game and see how well it does. Hopefully it does really good, and like I said, it's my first time playing it, but let's see if there's any kind of drop frames or anything like that. So we'll see how it is. Like I said, I couldn't find Asphalt 9 for some reason. I'm not sure if maybe this phone can't handle it or what. But yeah, I didn't see it on the App Store. So let's go ahead and play. Like I said, this one you actually do have to move versus Asphalt 9. I believe you can pick, but this one you actually have to move the phone around. So there you go, some burnout action there for you guys. So let's see how well it does. So far so good. I'm not seeing any really drop frames or anything like that, which I'm liking. And everything seems pretty smooth actually. Of course it's not going to be HD graphics or anything like that, guys. But like I said, if you're going to get this phone for maybe a kid or something like that, or your younger sibling, you don't want to spend a lot of money and they still want to play games, which of course everybody wants to play games on a smartphone, then I think this phone's pretty decent actually. As you can see, I mean, I'm playing this game and it's going pretty well actually. Let's say I'm not having any stutter or anything like that. Like I said, Asphalt 9 I have played it before and it tends to kind of stutter and have a lot of drop frames here and there. So maybe this phone just can't handle that, but as you can see, Call of Duty, it handled it perfectly. And this game, same thing, it's handling pretty solid. Now, of course, the load times might be a little longer, depending, you know, with some phones. This phone doesn't have the strongest processor, but I mean, if you don't mind waiting a little bit for the load time, then this is not bad at all. So whoops. Hey, there we go. And if it can handle these two games, like I said, Call of Duty and this game, I'm pretty sure it can handle lighter games that most people want to play, like, you know, Candy Crush and all that stuff. So it's perfectly fine for a phone, you know, to do stuff like this. So overall, I think it's decent, guys. I mean, for $100, you can't complain. I mean, look at this little LG phone for. I don't know. I'm out of words. It's definitely a budget device, and like I said, there's Call of Duty and there's Asphalt 8, and it handled it perfectly. Now, of course, it will handle PUBG. Of course, I've played it, and that is on low settings. But like I said, I don't want to make this video too long, so we'll kind of end it there, guys. Hopefully, you do like it, and hopefully, you had some fun with me. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe.